If your apps could talk, what would they say? At Conversant Labs, we bring your apps to life and give users a new way to speak with their world.
Can I get an espresso?
That's one espresso for $2.50. Would you like to try our new blueberry muffins?
Sure.
Great.
If your apps could talk, would they encourage us to try something new?
I need a muffin pan.
Showing results for muffin pan. 1. Farmerware 12 cup muffin pan. $11.99.
Okay, that sounds good.
We're all capable of making great things.
Is it baking powder or baking soda?
You need 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Got it.
What will you create? Introducing the SayKit SDK from ConversantLabs.com.